Hi, Brenda DeArmond here, real estate broker. I'm at Sanctuary at Wellness Ridge. We're going to go in and look at some of the villas, 55 plus, and we'll take you in there and give you a shot of what's going on there. Hi, these are the villas. As you can see, there's going to be quite a few of them. The end units are the ones that are dirt cheap right now, $245,990, but you can get the interior lot a little bit more. As you can see, there's building and got room for more building. Going to be houses as well. As you can see across the street here are the houses. Hi, Brenda DeArmond. I am a real estate broker, but I'm excited to tell you about Wellness Way. This particular subdivision is Sanctuary at Wellness Way. It's a 55 plus gated community. There are going to be 400 villas and 300 single family homes. I have done a video and I will include it at the end of this video so you can see the interior of the villas as well as the homes. Right now, the villas have dropped their price quite a bit to $245,990. That's for the interior lots. If you've got an end unit, it could be up to $269, $271, depending on where it is. They are starting to sell quite a few since they dropped that price. Again, this is August 2026. I don't know how long that price is going to be going. If you need me, please call me. My number is 407-721-2128. I know that you can go into Lennar by yourself, but you probably need to have a representative of your own, and that would be me. And I am offering rebates in the state of Florida. Rebates are okay. And right now I am offering $2,000 to $3,000 of my commission to you. If you are considered a Homes for Heroes, there's another scale for that as well. Homes for Heroes includes military, veterans, it includes policemen, firemen, teachers, nurses, anyone in the medical field. Just let me know if I can help you. This is exciting. The Wellness Way is very exciting here from Clermont, Florida. It's very close to Disney. They're in the midst of getting all the roads together. People are already living here. It's thousands and thousands of acres. There's going to be a lot going on. Give me a call.